Hello, hello there, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be discussing about 20 MCQs of Indian medieval history. So let's get started. First question. Who was the first ruler of slave dynasty? Option A Qutbuddin Aibak, Iltutmish, Balban or Razia Sultan. The answer is Qutbuddin Aibak. Qutbuddin Aibak was the first ruler of slave dynasty, and the dynasty was named as slave dynasty because he was the slave of Muhammad Ghori. After the death of Muhammad Ghori, he established slave dynasty. The first battle of Panipat was fought in which year? 1526, 1556, 1761 or 1707? The correct answer is 1526. The first battle of Panipat was fought between Babur and Ibrahim Lodi in 1526. In 1556, the second battle of Panipat was fought, and it was fought between Akbar and Hemu. In 1761, third battle of Panipat was fought, and it was fought between Balaji Baji Rao and Ahmad Shah Abdali. Okay, next question. Who defeated Prithviraj Chauhan in the second battle of Tarain? Iltutmish, Muhammad Ghori, Babur और बलबन? पृथ्वीराज चौहान को किसने सेकेंड बैटल ऑफ तराइन में डिफीट किया था? ही वाज मोहम्मद घोरी. सेकेंड बैटल ऑफ तराइन 1192 सीई में हुआ था, जिसमें मोहम्मद घोरी ने पृथ्वीराज चौहान को हराया था. Who was the only woman ruler of Delhi Sultanate? Razia Sultan, Chand Bibi, Noor Jahan, Rani Durgavati. The correct answer here is Razia Sultan. Razia Sultan was the daughter of Iltutmish, and she was the only woman ruler of Delhi Sultanate. Which Mughal ruler is known for his policy of religious tolerance? Babur, Humayun, अकबर, औरंगजेब? इसका सही आंसर है अकबर. अकबर इज नोन फॉर हिज पॉलिसी ऑफ रिलीजियस टॉलरेंस. इसने जिजिया टैक्स जो लगता था नॉन मुस्लिम्स पे वो हटाया था. हिज कोर्स कंप्राइज्ड ऑफ हिंदू, मुस्लिम, जैन and Christian, and he also married a Rajput princess. And the reason he was known as Akbar the Great. Next question. The Battle of Chausa was fought between Humayun and Sher Shah Suri, Babur, Akbar or Ibrahim Lodi? The correct answer is Sher Shah Suri. The Battle of Chausa Humayun और शेर शाह सूरी के बीच हुआ था, and it was fought in the year 1539. Who was the founder of Khilji dynasty? अलाउद्दीन खिलजी, बलबन, जलाउद्दीन खिलजी और इल्तुतमिश? तो खिलजी डायनेस्टी का फाउंडर था जलाउद्दीन खिलजी. इसने कैकवाबाद को हराया था. हु वाज द लास्ट रूलर ऑफ स्लेव डायनेस्टी? तो इसका आंसर है जलाउद्दीन खिलजी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द तुगलक डायनेस्टी वाज फाउंडेड बाय फिरोज शाह तुगलक, घियासुद्दीन तुगलक, मोहम्मद बिन तुगलक या बलबन? तो तुगलक डायनेस्टी घियासुद्दीन तुगलक ने फाउंड की थी. He has defeated Mubarak Khan, who was the son of Alauddin Khilji. फिर इसने अपना तुगलक डायनेस्टी एस्टेब्लिश किया था. Who introduced the Chehalgami system? Iltutmish, Alauddin Khilji, Akbar, Kutubuddin Aibak. इसका आंसर है इल्तुतमिश। इसने चहलगामी सिस्टम इंट्रोड्यूस किया था जिसमें के 40 स्लेव्स थे। The second battle of Panipat was fought between Babur and Rana Sanga, Humayun and Sher Shah, Akbar and Hemu, Shah Jahan and Aurangzeb. So the second battle of Panipat was fought between Akbar and Hemu. In which year? 1556. The battle of Khanwa was fought between Babur and Rana Sanga, Ibrahim Lodi, Sher Shah Suri या हुमायूं। तो द बैटल ऑफ खानवा बाबर और राणा संगा के बीच हुआ था इन द ईयर 1527। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु बिल्ट द कुतुब मीनार? कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक, इल्तुतमिश, अलाउद्दीन खिलजी और अकबर। इसका आंसर है इल्तुतमिश। हु शिफ्टेड हिज कैपिटल फ्रॉम दिल्ली टू दौलताबाद? अलाउद्दीन खिलजी, मोहम्मद बिन तुगलक, बलबन और फिरोज शाह तुगलक। So the correct answer is Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Who built the famous Grand Trunk Road? Akbar, Sher Shah Suri, Babur or Iltutmish? It was Sher Shah Suri who built the famous Grand Trunk Road. The Battle of Chandavar was fought between Prithviraj Chauhan and Ghori, Muhammad Ghori and Jaichand, Babur and Rana Sanga, Akbar and Hemu. So the Battle of Chandavar was fought between Muhammad Ghori and Jaichand in the year 1194 CE, in which Muhammad Ghori defeated Jaichand. Next question, who was the founder of Vijayanagar Empire? Harihar I, Krishna Devarya, Bukka Ray I or Devarya II? The correct answer here is Harihar I. Which Vijayanagar ruler is associated with the peak of its glory? Harihar I, Krishna Devarya, Bukka Ray I, Devarya II. इसका आंसर है कृष्ण देवार्य। Who was the last ruler of Mughal dynasty? बहादुर शाह वन, बहादुर शाह टू, औरंगजेब और अकबर टू? इसका आंसर है बहादुर शाह टू, who was also known as बहादुर शाह जफर। Next question, who defeated Ibrahim Lodi in the first battle of Panipat? Akbar, Babur, Sher Shah Suri या हुमायूं? The first battle of Panipat, Babur defeated Ibrahim Lodi, which was in 1526. After that, he established Mughal Sultanate. Last question. Which ruler of Vijayanagar was known for his patronage of Telugu literature? Harihar I, Krishna Devarya, Bukka Ray I, Devarya II. इसका आंसर है कृष्ण देवार्य। So we are done with all the questions today. See you in the next video and have a happy learning.